Pre-employment kids are a much more attractive hire because they've already got some initial training in safety, theory, practical work. They learn insights into what they might be doing, tasks they might be doing, knowledge they might need. It gives them a glimpse of the things they're going to learn in the future. The 12 weeks of theory and 4 weeks of practicum make them valuable on the first day.
So at Biosystems Electric and Controls, we're industrial and oil field electrical and instrumentation contractors. We have a CSA certified panel shop where we can build industrial control panels for a variety of uses. And we have field services for electrical and instrumentation, so maintenance and construction services.
We would have a journeyman show us what we would be doing. They would watch over us, basically make sure that we learned everything that we were supposed to learn and we were doing it up to an adequate job.
Well, we pair them up with the journeyman and they work with them, they mentor them, they work together, and we kind of expect them to do the first year tasks.
The course helped a lot with doing the safety tickets first. It gives you a lot of the tickets you'd have to get for work already.
Safety is a tremendous culture now. It's present in every task we do on every job site we have. These safety courses impart that ability to learn and recognize danger before it happens.
Well, the safety tickets are very valuable because you don't have to spend 2 days worth of training with them when they get here. Those tickets are required basically any oil field or industrial site, so it's good that they have them when they come here.
We've had tremendous luck in continuing to keep employees that have taken the program. We have several here at the company that have stayed with us. Just like that small culture that you experience at Lakeland, we have a small culture here and it seems to work for us.
We like the pre-employment program. It gives us a chance to try out these apprentices before we actually hire them.
Yeah, when I took my practicum for my pre-employment, they placed me at Biosystems, and then after the practicum I was hired on after.